And look at this thing. What a deal. What a deal. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Kimku. I am still out in Mobile, Alabama. What was it? 7 o'clock in the morning. Already had breakfast. Yeah, we're going to check out another Nike outlet. We're going to go to Foley, Alabama, and go see what's going on. They don't open for a few hours, so I'm gonna hit up Pensacola. I'm gonna go hit up Pensacola, Florida, and we'll check out some stuff out there. And I will see you all at the outlet. We finally made it. For you guys, it was quick, but it took me what, an hour to get here from Florida or something. I don't know. Been to several spots. Let's go check it out. They do not seem to have any sales. Not on the shoes, anyways. Oh, they got 20% off of the hash wall. 20% off the hash wall. So, maybe. But it's the boys and girls. Let's start with Jordan wall. Garbage. We know what the. Oh, it's not even a Jordan. Let's go with the 312s, whatever. Dude, this thing did surprise me. I was like, what? Something breads? I thought it was like the 11 breads or something. I was like, what? But no, just the features. Nothing. I saw these yesterday, fadeaways. Got the why nots, the Westbrooks. I guess it's going for retail. Old why nots, Jumpman. Nothing great. Got LeBron's a little bit cheaper than retail, I guess. Not bad. Protros, oh wait, I thought I was wearing my Protros. I guess not. I guess I'm wearing the, what am I wearing? The LeBron 14s? Oh, these are on sale. Saw these at the other outlet, $100, but those are 20% off. Kyrie 5s. Let's see, nothing much. The Air. Got the Air Force Max. Check out the hash wall. Check out the 10s. Really have nothing. Man, these always confuse the hell out of me, man. 312s, man. Nobody want no damn 312s. Let's see. Really nothing. Everything was picked off last week. Oh, what's this? Oh, Spitz Ikes. Those tricked me too. Thought those were like the 4s or something. Fadeaways, nothing. There really is nothing. How much these? 20 Air Max 2017, $100, 20% off. 10.5. Nothing in the 10.5. Let's check out the 11s. This. Oh, they got some. What are these? The Protro 720s. 200. Retail minus 20%. Nothing much. Air Force Ones right there. Nothing really. Wow. I've really never seen Nike outlets this dead. Nothing. Let's check out this out. They got some of the Hyrdro. Was these the Hyrdro 4s? Oh, that's kind of cool at the top. Just like the 4s. $40. It's the Hyrdro 6s. And then these are pretty whatever. We got the 33s. The 150. Chlorophyll's 120. It's got that crazy lacing system. I should see a ratchet on the bottom usually. Alright, they're starting to get a little something. The Flight Posits. Not bad, $100. Pretty good deal. Air Force Ones. Got the Air Force Max. Why is it separate from that other color? The all black earlier. It's weird. These are pretty nice. Air Force Ones. Got some Air Max. These are the 95s. Reflected. These are the Air Max 97s. That's pretty much about it. Got some Vapor Max. Those aren't bad. Element Reacts. I think everybody likes those. 80 bucks. Not bad. 80 bucks. So I'm walking around. They ain't got nothing for the grown-ups. But look at the kids. Look at the kids. Look at the kids, man. Dang, I'm so jealous. Kids, look at the kids. Now look at this thing. What a deal. What a deal. I'm gonna have to come back and get a bunch. I'm gonna have to come back and get a bunch for my little guy. I'm gonna have to get him like 3 different sizes so he has plenty. But I think that's about it. That's about it. I got some more slides, but that's 40 bucks and that's 19 with everything else. But yeah, there's really not much else. Not much else even for the kids. But this is a deal. I'm gonna have to come back to this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what I came up on today. There really wasn't much, but I got a little something for pretty much my kids. Also for my nephew, but pretty much look the Jordan, got them Jordan slides, the Hyrdro 7, Hyrdro 11s, my bad, Hyrdro 11s. So these pretty much, I don't know how well you guys know the Jordan Hyrdro series of slides, but pretty much they designed them very similar to their retro shoes. So these pretty much are retroed after the Jordan 11. You know, the Concords. Everybody know the Concords. You know, there's got the patent leather right here. Got the 45, just like the latest version of the Concords. You know, they feel super good. Normally these are 50 something. What's the MSRP on this? MSRP is normally $50. 50 bones, dude. 50 bones. Can you see that? Can you see that? 50 bucks. And got these for $9.97. $9.97. So I ended up getting my kid wears a 5. I think he wears like a 4.5 or something, or 4. But they had 5 through 7, so I got a 5, a 6. I think these are the 7s and a 7. So yeah, people were asking about this deal because I got 4 of them. So people were asking me as well as the cashiers how much they were going for and stuff. So just a reminder, whenever you guys go to the outlets, please make sure you walk around and check every section. This was just in the kids section. It was just one of I showed you guys. So and a lot of people still missed it. So yeah, make sure you check them all out. Oh yeah, and by the way, yeah, we're kind of doing this casually in the car. I've already checked out of the hotel and stuff, so I'm probably going to be going to the airport in a little bit. So that's kind of why I'm showing you all this in my rental car. So this video was done kind of bootleg. It was pretty much all done on my phone. I usually have better equipment and stuff, but I am traveling. You know, I did hit up a few states, you know, because I needed it for work, and I really didn't have time to bring all my stuff. So so the quality of the content will get better. So I definitely appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and be the first subscriber. Go ahead and subscribe, and I'll definitely keep that content coming. Thanks.